All right, you can answer the next one though, Charlie. I think you'll be good on this one. What makes our project unique and valuable compared to the competition?
With competition. I don't really see any competition, to be honest. So it's
Okay.
kind of a hard question to answer in that way.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. Why do you not see any competition? That's a question for you.
well, because nobody's really doing what we're doing. Uh, there's very few projects that are doing things on the protocol level, like futures protocol level. We were the first. Assets on the protocol level, you only have a couple of projects. Probably the most well known, which was talked about before, is Ravencoin. But then you toss in smart contracts in common languages. Nobody's doing that, as far as I'm aware of.
Could you tell the
Uh,
could you tell the people about some use cases with the smart contracts in common languages?
not really use cases, just because it's such a broad thing. It's hard for me to get my head around it. Just like that, there's so many different uses. But I mean, the common languages has some very basic benefits, especially for small businesses, because um, as soon as you move into common languages like that, it becomes much more attractive and reasonable for a small business to incorporate it into their business because it's much easier and cheaper to do, right? Let's say you're doing it in Python and you need to find a developer, right? It's very simple to find a Python developer. It's easy to verify the code. It's easy to have an audit done on that smart contract. It's cheap to have an audit done on that smart contract compared to the other languages out there that are specific to EVM and stuff like that. You're paying an arm and a leg for that stuff, so it makes it uh, harder and not as attractive for, let's say, small businesses to start using it.
You know what,
That's
Charlie? That was a perfect answer. I don't think we need to go through the rest of the team on that one.